Exploring the phrases, neon paint. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a colorful expression in the English language, neon paint. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Neon is a chemical element in the periodic table with the symbol Ne. But when most people think of neon, they're imagining the bright, glowing colors that you often see in signs, especially in nighttime cityscapes. These colors are vibrant and tend to stand out, which is why they're often associated with things that are bright and attention-grabbing. In this phrase, paint refers to the substance we use to color walls, canvases, and many other surfaces. Paint can come in numerous shades, but when combined with the word neon, it often suggests a paint that is extraordinarily vibrant and noticeable. When you combine the words neon and paint, you get a phrase that describes a kind of paint that is as bright and eye-catching as neon lights. This could be literal, referring to paint that glows under certain lighting, or it could be metaphorical, indicating something that stands out starkly from its surroundings. For instance, if someone says, "Her dress was as bright as neon paint," they mean that the dress was very noticeable and hard to miss. To give you a clearer picture, let's see how neon paint can be used in sentences. 1. The artist used neon paint to create a glow-in-the-dark mural. 2. I want to paint my room, but I'm not sure if neon paint is too bold for me. 3. His presentation was like neon paint in a room full of pastels, impossible to ignore. And there we have it. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge of what neon paint means in English. Whether you come across it in a book, in a conversation, or decide to use it yourself, you'll know exactly what it implies. Bright and attention-grabbing, isn't it? We hope this video illuminates your language learning journey. Until next time,